Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check for firmware updates on Onyx Boox Poke 2. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then also make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi network. If not, I recommend to watch our video on how to do it on this device. You can find it on our main channel. Then when you're connected, you can click on firmware update right here. And inside you can also activate automatically detect update packages, and it will notify you automatically also so that you can update your device each time a new update arrives. And if you want to do it manually, then you can click on check for updates on the bottom of the screen, and if there's any version available, you'll see the pop-up with the question to download the update. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.